Hello friends, today we will learn new examples. In these examples, we have to prepare balance sheet. Here is the example in front of you. Sulekha Limited, some particulars we have been given in these examples. First of all, we will understand all the examples. Start from the sundry creditors. Sundry creditors will be shown in the balance sheet. Note number 9, trade payable. Sundry debtors will be shown in the balance sheet. Note number 18, trade receivables. Next, term loan, mortgage on stock will be shown in the balance sheet. Note number 4, long-term borrowing. Loan from directors also shown in the balance sheet. Note number 4, long-term borrowing. Next, finance. 3,72,000. It will be shown in the balance sheet under the note of 21, other current assets. Next, cash and bank, 2,75,000 will be shown under the note of 19, cash and cash equivalents. Staff advance should be shown as a other current assets. Note number 21. Provision for tax, it will be shown in the balance sheet under the note of 11, short-term provision. Reserve for bad debts, it will be shown under the note of 18, trade receivable. Security premium, it will be shown under the note of 2nd, reserve and surplus. Next, loose tools, 50,000 will be shown in the balance sheet under the note of 17, inventories. Go to other side, stores will be shown in the balance sheet under the note of 17. Note number 17 is inventories. General reserves will be shown in the balance sheet under the note of 2, reserve and surplus. Investments will be shown in the balance sheet under the note of 13, non-current investments. Fixed asset written down value, it will be shown in the balance sheet under the note of 12, non-current assets. Closing stocks and work in progress will be shown in the balance sheet under the note of 17, inventories. Profit and loss account debit balance means it is the previous year loss. So it will be shown under the note of 2 reserve and surplus. This amount will be deducted. Miscellaneous expenditure, it will be shown under the note of 2 reserve and surplus. Here miscellaneous expenditures also will be deducted. Equity share capital rupees 30 lakh will be shown in the balance sheet. Note number 1, share capital. 10% redeemable preference share capital also will be shown in the balance sheet under the note of 1, shareholders fund. Here adjustment uh, is given. Adjustment number 1, authorized capitals 30,000 equity share, each of rupees 100. Redeemable preference share capital, number of share 10,000, each of rupees 100. Depreciation on fixed asset rupees 5 lakh. It will be deducted from the assets. And second effect will be given in the profit less from the profit under the head of reserve and surplus. Go to the prepare the balance sheet. First of all, share capital. Go to the working note. Authorized capital as per the adjustment number 1. Authorized capital of preference share as per the adjustment number 1. Issued capital rupees 30 lakh for the preference share capital 10 lakh. Total 40 lakh. Go to the balance sheet. 40 lakh. Go to the reserve and surplus, note number 2. Reserve and surplus. General reserve 20 lakh 50,000. Security premium 4 lakh 75,000. Profit and loss account debit balance rupees 3 lakh. Miscellaneous expense 58,000. Depreciations 5 lakh. So the due to the miscellaneous expense depreciations and previous year loss 3 lakh rupees, 8 lakh 58,000 will be deducted from the total 25 lakh 25,000. So the remaining 16 lakh 67,000 will be shown in the balance sheet. No item under the note of 3. Go to the note number 4. Term loan 10 lakhs. Loan from directors 2 lakh. Total, sorry, 10 lakhs plus 2 lakh, 12 lakh will be shown in the balance sheet. 12 lakh. Deferred tax liability, no item is there. Other long-term liability, no item is there. Note number 7, long-term provisions, no item is there. Note number 8, short-term provision, short-term borrowings, no item is there. Trade payable. Note number 9, trade payable. One thing is there, creditors 11 lakh 45,000. Creditors, note number 9, 11 lakh 45,000. Go to the calculation of note number 10 and 11. Unpaid dividend, no item is there in other current liabilities. 11, short-term provisions, only one thing is there, tax provision 1 lakh 70,000. Total of the equity and liabilities rupees 81 lakh 82,000. Now go to prepare other side of the balance sheet. Fixed assets, note number 12. Go to the working note. Fixed assets, tangible fixed assets 51 lakh 50,000 as per the sum. Depreciations 5 lakh will be deducted. 46 lakh 50,000 will be shown in the balance sheet. Non-current investment, working note number 13. Investment 2,25,200. Long-term loan and advances, note 14. No item is there. Other non-current asset, note number 15. No item is there. Current investment 16. No item is there. Inventory, closing stock 7 lakh 50,000. Work in progress 2 lakh as per the sum. Stores 4 lakh as per the sum. Loose tools 50,000 as per the sum. Total 14 lakh will be shown in the balance sheet. Go to the note number 18, trade receivable. Debtors 12 lakh 25,000. Bad debt reserves 20,200 as per the sum will be deducted from the 12 lakh 25,000. Remaining 12 lakh 4,800 will be shown in the balance sheet. Note number 18. Cash and cash equivalents, note number 19. Cash and cash equivalents, cash and bank 2 lakh 75,000 will be shown in the balance sheet. Note number 20, short-term loan and advances. Bill receivables, no item is there. Bill receivable included in the note number 20, but no amount is there. Other current assets, note number 21. Advances 3,72,000 as per the sum. Staff advances 55,000 as per the sum. Total 4,27,000 will be shown in the balance sheet under the head of other current assets, note number 21. So total 81 lakh 82,000. Total would be the same both the side. Equity and liabilities and assets, non-current assets and current assets, rupees 81 lakh 82,000. Example is completed.